Okay, on this one I've got a KTM 640 2004. There's lots of videos on YouTube actually about how to do the oil seals, etc., which I've just done. So once you've done the oil seals, basically top in the oil itself. So I've put in the oil, and it's quite a lot of questions about how much oil you actually top in, and I've used 610 milliliters. Okay, so if you're getting a litre bottle, obviously you need 2 of them, or a litre and a half. So I only got a 1 litre bottle, so obviously you need another one. So 610 milliliters I've actually put in there. Okay, so the damper rod itself, make sure that you can actually raise up and down the damper rod a few times, and the damper rod, after a few minutes and a few circulations up and down, will smoothly go up and down. So you need to make sure that it goes smoothly up and down all the way as well, not catching at the edge. So all the way smoothly up and down, and you know that it's actually vented all the air off. Okay, and if you've got something like a level or a rule, and then ideal, I've just used a little piece of tube at the moment, and I've marked on the level there, which standard is 120 milliliters. 120 millimeters to that piece of tape there. So I basically just got the piece of straight tube, straight as you can get it, stuck it in there, and then it's hard to do this with the camera and holding it at the same time, but as I blow down here, you can hear, listen, you can just hear hitting actually the level there, so I know that the level is correct. Obviously you can suck it out of there, but don't get any in your mouth. But you can actually use the vacuum effect actually to suck it out. Okay, so that's it. Thanks.